Welcome to your quest! By the end of this quest, you will be able to use context clues to determine the meaning of unknown words and phrases in a text. When we read a text, we might run into a word that we don't know. To figure it out, we can use hints that surround the word. These are context clues that help us infer the meaning of the unknown word. A text might give an example, definition, contrasting word, or a synonym to help us identify an unknown word. Let's take a look at this text. Brooke went on a hiking trip to find small rocks for her collection. She wanted to find rocks with a particular pattern on them, so she carefully searched the ground as she walked. When she found a patch of dirt that had lots of rocks, she meticulously picked up each rock to see if it should be added to her collection. What does the word meticulously mean? Well, we see from surrounding clues that Brooke wants a particular pattern, not just any rock, and she's careful. These hints help us infer that the word meticulous means careful and precise. In this quest, you'll practice using context clues to figure out the meaning of words and phrases. Good luck on your quest and have fun eSparking!